Welcome guys on YouTube. So today in this video I'll be showing you guys the 3 accessories which I have recently installed in my bike R15M. One is the radiator guard that is in golden color. So my bike suspension is in golden color, so that color will be matching to my suspension. So I just ordered that golden color. And the next thing is the lever guard which I'll be installing over here. Another thing is the bike chain cover that I have ordered in the blue color. These as 3 accessories will enhance your bike look. Then we'll install them in a local garage. Post installation I will show you how the bike looks. So for the time being, let's do a quick unboxing of those accessories. So this is how the bike looks post installation, and I'll be installing more accessories in upcoming videos. Make sure you subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, hit the like button and do comment and share the video.